Fun study fun. Smile math.
Hello, friends. Today, our friend Milo the Fox will solve some fun math problems. Would you like to solve them together with Milo? I'm so excited. Let's get started. Let's dive in. At the flower shop, there are 3 tulips. A customer buys 1 tulip. How many tulips are left?
The answer is 2 tulips. There are 2 tulips left. So, 3 minus 1 equals 2.
That's correct. Well done. There are 4 roses. There are 2 carnations. How many more roses are there compared to carnations?
The answer is 2. There are 2 more roses than carnations. So, 4 minus 2 equals 2.
Correct. Congratulations. There are 4 flower pots here. 3 flower pots disappear. How many flower pots are left?
The answer is 1. 1 flower pot is left. So, 4 minus 3 equals 1.
Wow, correct. Milo, you're the best. Here are 5 lilies. Next to them there are 2 sunflowers. Which flower is more, and by how many?
The answer is lilies. There are 3 more lilies than sunflowers. So, 5 minus 2 equals 3.
Wow, correct. Milo, you're so good at math. There are 5 balloons. 3 balloons float high into the sky. How many balloons are left?
The answer is 2. 2 balloons are left. So, 5 minus 3 equals 2.
Correct again. Milo, you're amazing. Look at the sky. There are 5 stars. 4 of them disappear. How many stars are left?
The answer is 1. 1 star is left. So, 5 minus 4 equals 1.
Wow, correct. Milo, you scored a perfect 100. Milo got all the answers correct. Let's all cheer together. That was such a fun subtraction game. Now let's say goodbye while listening to a song. Bye-bye.
3 minus 1 is 2. Colorful tulips are so pretty. 4 minus 2 is 2. Red roses look so lovely. 4 minus 3 is 1. A wonderful flower pot full of nameless blooms. 5 minus 2 is 3. Bright sunflowers that look like the sun. 5 minus 3 is 2. is your favorite?